Duck walk exercise. The duck walk exercise, also known as the duck squat or duck march, is a lower body exercise that targets the quadriceps, glutes, and inner thighs. Here's a description of how to perform the duck walk exercise. Stand with your feet slightly wider than shoulder width apart, toes pointed outwards at a comfortable angle. Lower your body into a squat position by bending your knees and pushing your hips back, keeping your chest lifted and your back straight. As you descend into the squat, maintain a deep squat position and walk forward by taking small steps. Keep your knees out and track them in line with your toes throughout the movement. Continue walking forward in the squat position for a set distance or for a specific number of steps. To walk backward, simply reverse the movement by taking small steps while staying in the squat position. Repeat the walking motion for the desired number of repetitions or time. Tips for performing the duck walk exercise. Focus on maintaining good form throughout the exercise, keeping your chest up and core engaged. Start with smaller steps and gradually increase your stride as you become more comfortable with the movement. You can add resistance to the exercise by holding a dumbbell or kettlebell in front of your chest or using a resistance band around your thighs. The duck walk exercise is a challenging and effective lower body exercise that can help improve leg strength, stability, and mobility. As with any exercise, it's important to listen to your body. Start with a weight and intensity level that is appropriate for your fitness level, and consult with a healthcare professional or fitness trainer if you have any concerns or underlying health conditions. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new tips. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.